Pastor Dlamini is behind bars. He tells Pilile that he did not kill Mabizela. Pilile believes him and prays for him. And then the captain finds evidence who is the real killer Mabizela and tells the pastor that he is free to go home. Thandiswa tries to alienate Martha from Jackson so that they can catch him. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So Pilile went to prison to visit Pastor Dlamini. Mafika lapha umfundisi uyakhala Shem saying, you must believe me, I did not kill Mabizela. Explains the whole story because you find him lying on the floor already and try to help him. And then it's Upilile, how can I help you, Baba? Please just pray for me. Akhuleka Upilile. The next thing, the captain comes and tells umfundisi ukuthi they found evidence of who the real killer is. Mabizela, some lady who stole money and then stabbed Mabizela and took his car as well. And the woman was arrested and he confessed. Oh, and then tells Upasa he is free to go home. Shami should have seen him praising God, saying, thank you, God, you are worthy to be praised. Umfundisi beside lose hope, thinking that he's just going to die in prison. And then, Zweletu tries his luck, going to the mayor's office, finds his reception there, tries to, reception to tell him, Jackson. The receptionist did not budge. She kept to her word, saying, I cannot risk my job. The mayor said I must not say where he's going. She's trying his luck to try and get information from Martha. Goes to Martha and tries to alienate Martha from Jackson, saying Jackson is a bad man. How do you know now and turn on you and try to kill you? As Martha, as you're smart for trying this, but I'm smarter. I know Jackson, I know his dark past, and I love him and I'm building with him in future. So you won't succeed, my dear. And then the Roy asked Mami, did you tell rich guy when I I said, no, as much as are you going to do as I've got a plan, I'm going to drag him. And then he goes over to Bagreshi's place. Bagreshi is ready for their night together. Okay, wanted to drag him, thinking he's going to drink. At Bagreshi, no, I'm staying sober. Our one Mami is not going to work. Decided to fake a phone call and leave. Emergency. And then Pechina tells me, please go through a lot. I need to go see him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.